What is the burden of proof in a civil case? Burden of proof, isn't that just a fancy way of saying you've done it? Burden of proof? Burden of proof, I'll tell you what burden of proof is, like they said it in my fifth DUI. Beyond all that.
Sir, there has been a murder, and you are a suspect.
Burden of proof, yeah, I got it. You either did it or you didn't do it. And that has to be clear as day for me. Just the way it is, pal. Jimbo, with your little, I seen you on your little YouTube channel. Son of a burden of proof in a civil case is what's called a preponderance of the evidence. Preponderance? Well, I'm not pondering anything. I want to know the truth. It's very different than a criminal case. Criminal case is beyond a reasonable doubt. You might have seen that on Law and Order. Civil case is completely different. Preponderance of the evidence means that the plaintiff has to prove that their story or case is more likely true than not true. It's just a mere tipping of the scales. It's not the same standard we have in criminal court, beyond a reasonable doubt or beyond a shadow of the doubt. That's not the burden for a plaintiff in a civil case. Lawyers during jury selection will try to differentiate for people this burden of proof, but some people need to see in a civil case what they want to see in a criminal case, meaning some people can't sit in a civil trial because to them the burden of proof should always be beyond a reasonable doubt. It should be the same burden that we have in the criminal court versus the civil court, which can sometimes get a juror excused from sitting on that particular civil case. Just depends on the facts and circumstances.